Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with Sportline, and you know what? We are right in the middle of this project, but I had to stop midway just to rush and create this video for you because this is the world's first Tesla Model Y in pearl white with our brand new TMaxx Aero Sport body kit. While you may have already seen the video with the midnight silver metallic one that we did, pearl white is my favorite for this, and I just wanted to share with you right away. So let me tell you where we're at, what we've done, and what's coming forward. So, as you can see, this package is a complete front and rear bumper replacement. The front bumpers come off and the body kit goes on. We do offer to have these painted for you to match, or we could ship them to you unpainted. This customer wanted us to go ahead and paint it for him because he's local, and we're also doing the install for him. So, brand new front end, super cool, very aggressive, very sporty, completely changes the face of your Model Y. And then now let's go to the back. A whole new rear bumper to match the same theme as the front bumper, finished in pearl white with a satin black center rear diffuser and this really cool wing that's also been painted in satin black. And the reason why we went for satin black is because that ties in perfectly with all the satin black trim that's on the car from Tesla. And now, like I always say, if you're gonna put a body kit on your car, you really have to change the wheels. I don't think it looks good when the factory stock wheels are on a car that's been that heavily customized. This customer chose our best 21-inch one-piece forged wheels. These are the lightest and strongest wheels that we manufacture. It's a really great look on a Model Y. You've seen it before, but this is where we still have some work to do. First of all, as you could see, still got the factory brake calipers. Those are gonna be painted. And can you guys guess what color? I'll tell you one thing, it's not gonna be red and it's not gonna be yellow. We're actually gonna do a custom color paint on this. I'd love to hear some comments below what color you would do on your Model Y with this type of a body kit. And then what we're also gonna do is we're gonna tint the windows because, you know, our Model Ys get really, really hot, and it's a really good look too when it's a little bit darker. And then we're gonna finish off this build with a complete TMaxx PPF paint protection film treatment. This is gonna protect the body kit and the whole car from road rash and any type of impact, some door dings. It's a wonderful way to protect your car. So now we're gonna head back to the shop. We're gonna finish off the rest of those items, but I would also love to hear from you guys. Is there anything else that you think we should do to this Model Y? Please leave some comments below. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. So many more amazing videos coming your way soon.